Well, I think it has to be destroyed. This is a barbaric organization that is a threat not only to the people in the Middle East, to the people in Europe, but obviously to the people in the United States as well. That has to be destroyed. And here is how we destroy it. We do not destroy it by doing what we did in Iraq and getting into perpetual warfare. I voted against the war in Iraq. In fact, Secretary Clinton, when she was in the Senate, voted for that war. What we do, as King Abdullah of Jordan has told us, is we work to put together a very effective coalition of Muslim nations who lead the effort on the ground, supported by the United States, the UK, France, and other major powers in the air and through training. Now, in the last year, we've had some success. Ramadi has been recaptured. ISIS has lost about 20% of the ground that it controlled, but we have a lot more to do.